The following instructions for electrical works must be carried out by a certified electrician. For the control panel connections, use all 4 wires. Clean the wire ends and crimp them for secure connections. Pull in the cable to the main module through the grommet. Connect the wires to the terminal 1, 2, 3, and 4 in exact same order as you connect them in the control panel. Tighten the connections. Install the bench sensor. The bench sensor is the sensor with 3 connections. Install the bench sensor on the opposite side of the sauna from the heater and 15 centimeters from the ceiling. Fix the bench sensor to the wall using the 2 screws included. Do not use power tools. The included cable is intended for all components in the UKU set, although not all components use all 4 wires. The bench sensor requires 3 connections, so cut off 1 wire on both ends of the cable, sensor side and main module side. Strip and clean the wire ends. Connect the wires to the bench sensor terminal in exact order as you connect them to the main module. The markings for the bench sensor from left to right are E1, E2, and E3. Tighten the terminals and ensure the wires are securely fixed. Hide the cable inside the wall and close the sensor with the cap. Cut off the same wire that was removed on the sensor side. Clean the wire ends and crimp them. Pull the cable into the main module through the plastic grommet and connect them to terminals E1, E2, and E3 with the same wire order as you did in the sensor. Tighten the connections and ensure they are securely in place. Now let's move to the safety sensor installation. The safety sensor is the sensor with 2 terminal connections. You can install it on the wall above the heater, positioned 50 to 150 millimeters away from the ceiling if the heater's minimum safety distance from combustible materials is 40 millimeters. It can also be installed on the ceiling. This time, we're going to show the connections done on the wall, but the exact same thing applies if you install the safety sensor to the ceiling. Fix the safety sensor to the wall using the 2 screws included. Do not use power tools. The safety sensor requires 2 connections. So, cut off 2 wires on both ends of the cable, sensor side and main module side. Strip and clean the wire ends. Connect the wires to the safety sensor terminal in exact order as you connect them to the main module. Tighten the terminals and ensure the wires are securely fixed. Hide the cable inside the wall and close the sensor with the cap. If you have to install the sensor to the ceiling, do the exact same thing we did installing safety sensor on the wall. Let's move to the main module side. Cut off the same wires that was removed on the sensor side. Again, clean and crimp the wire ends. Pull the cable into the main module through the plastic grommet and connect them to terminals T1 and T2. The wire connection must be exact same as you did in the sensor side. The door sensor must be installed at the lower part of the door since the maximum operating temperature of the sensor is 80 degrees Celsius. Mark the center for the sensor opening using the sensor mount. Note that the sensor and the door magnet must be shifted from each other slightly. Drill a 10 millimeter opening to the door frame for the sensor. Push the sensor into the sensor mount. You need 2 wires for the door sensor, so cut the rest. Clean the wire ends and connect the sensor and the cable with wire connection sleeves. Crimp the connections tightly. Secure the connections using hot air blower to shrink the connection sleeves. Push the connected sensor with the sensor mount into the opening you made earlier. For the magnet side of the sensor, use the included double-sided tape. Remove the protective film from the tape, put it onto the magnet, remove the protective film from the other side of the tape and install it on the door where the sensor is. On the main module side, connect the sensor wires to terminals O1 and O2. Make sure to use the same two wires as you did on the sensor side. Fix the cables to the cable hook at the left side of the main module. For the steamer, connect the ground wire to the ground terminal located at the bottom left of the main module. The red cable goes to SN, and black goes to SL1. That is, if you have a 120-volt steamer. For 240-volt steamer, connect the cables to terminal SL1 and SL2. For the sauna lights, connect the black cable to terminal LN and red to LL. Now for the sauna heater connections. Connect the black cable to terminal V, red to U, and ground wire goes to the ground terminal. For the power cable, connect the red cable to L1 and black to L2. N is for neutral cable. Ground wire goes to the ground terminal. Double check if all the connections are correct and fixed firmly. Finish the UKU main module installation by closing the main module box with its lid. For further questions, please visit our website HUUMSauna.com or contact your local reseller.